Happy 2022, everyone. Welcome to the show. My name is Ash Ellis with the Ash Ellis Group, and I'm here to talk today a little bit about my predictions with regards to the real estate market. I'm going to be talking about where our price is heading. I'm going to be talking about interest rates and what's going on with them this year. And I'm also going to be talking about taxes and regulations with regards to your principal home or investment property. So, stay tuned. All right, so let's talk about the prediction. Taxes and regulations. So in the last 1 or 2 years, if you've been holding real estate, you've made a lot of money. And I believe you become an easy target to governments, especially when you're making a lot of money, that they want to get a piece of the pie. And so I believe that the governments are going to come after flippers who've made, holding property for a short-term period, they made a lot of money. And I believe governments are going to come after them. They're already taxed as active income, but I believe they're going to add on a surplus tax if you've held the property for less than 1 year. Okay, so I believe that tax is going to come into place. I believe when it comes to the taxing of your principal home, so this is where if you sell the home that you presently live in, I believe they're going to be talking a little bit more about taxing the sale of your principal property, not this year, but more likely out into next year. Okay, if you're looking at surplus rental increases, okay, so this is where if you substantially end up raising your rents in between tenants, they're going to come after you, the government. Okay, so they're going to come and they're going to tax you a little bit more. Is this a good thing? I'm not sure because I see landlords now increasing their rents even more to make up for the added tax. Okay, my next bold prediction. Interest rates, they're going up. Okay, they're happening. It's going up this year. There's nothing to stop that. We're going to see approximately 3 to 5 interest rate hikes in the span of this year. They're going to be approximately 0.25%, 25 basis points increase on each hike. I anticipate that the interest rates will start working their way up somewhere after June. Okay, so this second to third quarter of this year, we're going to start to see interest rates go up. And over the course of the year, you could see 0.75 interest rates go up by about that much. Okay, so that's happening. All right, let's talk about price appreciation and where I think prices are going to go. Okay, so let's start with last year. Okay, in the Greater Toronto in Ontario, we saw a price appreciation in most homes averaging around 22%. Okay, so that's the price of the home went up 22%. We saw some markets span out into like a 40% price appreciation in the last 12 months. So, coming into January 2022, we are still sitting on low inventory. Some markets have 2 weeks of homes available for sale. Still low inventory markets. We have 400,000 plus people expected to migrate into Canada. We're still sitting in a low interest rate environment. These are all fuel to the fire, if you want to say, of what's going to start price appreciation in the coming few months. We spoke a little while ago about interest rates, and we're forecasting interest rates to go up. So what do you think is naturally going to happen to buyers sitting on the fence? They're going to jump right into this market and want to get approved and get their home purchased prior to rates going up, which will be a huge surplus of demand running into a system that does not have enough inventory. So in the first quarter of this year, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw 10+% in the first 3 to 4 months of this year. That's my prediction, and I believe that in the course of the year we will see 15 to 20% price appreciation. Now, speaking a little bit more to what the curve is going to look like in the next few years. So as I said, we're going to see a huge run up in the first quarter, and then as we head out into June, July, August, September, and if they start increasing interest rates, that will slow down, not crash. Let me repeat that: not crash the market, but slow down this double digit and bring it to a more stable, hopefully a stable, sustainable appreciation growth, okay? And the real inflation numbers as per the government statistics was around 6.5%, okay? And that's what it was last year, even though we saw 20-ish% appreciation in the housing market. I think you're going to see these kind of numbers as we go out into 2022. It's going to be an exciting year. And I do want to caution you with one more thing. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't see the future. This is not a crystal ball kind of prediction. This is information based on facts. This is based on macroeconomic views. If there's a black swan event, who the heck knows? Things may go out of the window. But having said that, these are my bold predictions. And I wish you guys a wonderful 2022. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell, the notification button, and I will see you on the next video, and happy investing.